Hi, myself Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Information Technology from SNS College of Engineering. Now let us see about the set operators. That is, set operators which are used are set operators allows you to combine the result of two or more query statement into a single result set based on set theory principles. As we saw in the max, there are set operators like union, intersection. Likewise, we have set operators in dbms2. These operators allows you to perform operations such as combining, intersecting or separating sets of data. So the set operators are union, union all, intersect, minus or except. Next it comes the expect or minus. The expect operator returns rows from the result set of first select statement that are not present in the result of second select statement. So it will, like as its name says, the minus which will use the rows from the result set of first select statement that are not present in the result set of second select statement. Here query 1 minus query 2. It also eliminates the duplicate rows. Here consider the query 1 and query 2, query 1 except query 2. So it will give the data that are in it minus in that are not in the query 2. So select column name from table 1 except or minus. You can give except or minus. Select column name from table 1, table 2. So let us consider the example here. Write a SQL query to fetch all the details employees from where who are not the manager from the employee table. Let's again read the question. Write a SQL query to fetch all the details of employee. We're going to fetch the details of employee who are not manager from the employee table. So he should not be a manager from the employee table. So now we're going to write the query. Select star from employee except select star from manager. So here it displays the employee who are not in the manager. So the Nancy, Luck, Mac, Charlie, Tom, these are in the employee table. So like manager table, when we compare with the employee table, Mac and Tom is in manager table. So it removes Mac and Tom and it prints only Jack, Peter, Leo, Roger, Mike, Paul and Hannah. So it minus the data that are in the manager table. Next is the intersect operator. It returns the common rows between the result set of two or more selectments. It only includes rows that appear in all the result sets. So query 1 and query 2, it will display the intersector points in a table. So select column name from table 1, intersect, select column name from table 2. This is the syntax for intersect. And now consider the question. Write a SQL query to return all the details of the employees from the employee table who are manager. So the data in the employee table and the manager table which are matches, we are going to print that data. So select star from employee, intersect, select star from manager. As we saw earlier, we have removed the matching in previous statement. Now we are going to check the only data which are in both employee and manager. So when we look into that, Mac and Tom are both in the employee table and manager table. Now we're going to give with the specific condition select star from employee where ID is greater than 104. So we give that the ID must be greater than 104 where Mac is 103. So it displays only Tom because it has a condition that it must be greater than 104. So likewise, these are the 4 set operations which are used in that data. Again I repeat, the union is used to give the all combined data in both table, and then your intersect is going to give the table. Union all will give the all the data in the table. Intersect will give the data which are both in table 1 and table 2. Whereas the minus or expect will give the data which are not repeated in the table 2. That is the data that should not repeat from table 1 to table 2. So these are the set operators we used in the database management system. Thank you.